another pollo rotizado. We are trying El Canelo. All right, this is off Seminary in Fort Worth. Actually, we're not trying. I've already had this before. I told you I'm a pollo rotizado hoe. So let's get into it. Tortillas, a must. I think those are these here. No, these look maize. Oh, these look homemade. Maize. Okay. I love. Where did my brain go? I love pollo regio sauce or pollo canelo sauce. Oh, and I did ask for an extra onion because I am that bitch. I already took a bite and I gave some to my kids. Here. Charbroiled onions are my favorite. Salsita. Chicken breast is my favorite. Yum. Huge chunks of tomatoes in here and onions. Pretty good. Tastes like beans. I'm sorry, but this will forever be like my favorite combination. I'm just gonna shove as much pollo in here. Hey, eat your chicken.
I like it.
My grandma used to be like a pro at rolling tortillas like this. Let me see if I can do it. I'm not used to. She still is a pro. Can you hands off the chicken? Here. You still have like 20 pieces of chicken right there. Oh, wait. Pollo regio's chicken is definitely juicier.